So today I decided to try out the Magic Trio that I had purchased from the Nordstrom sale because I hadn't tried all the products before. And I'm just putting on the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and lipstick. It is one of my favorites. And so today I just did all Charlotte Tilbury products on my face. I didn't go too heavy because a meeting that I was going to attend was canceled. And so this product I was able to use this morning, which is the Magic Serum. And I saw a video on how to apply it, and honestly, I don't know if I just didn't put on enough. It wasn't enough to do kind of like the motions that they want you to make. But it felt really nice. The makeup laid really nice on top of it. I didn't have any issues with it at all. And I did also put my Hollywood Flawless filter on top before I applied my makeup, which I'm in number 8 in this Light Wonder Charlotte Tilbury product. And so I really do like the Magic Cream. Like anytime my skin has felt really dry, I have used this. So I definitely was excited to incorporate this into my routine. It did feel sticky, and I do like it, and I'm going to continue to use it. Now, the other product in this package that I wasn't able to use was the Eye Rescue, because you do that at night. And so probably what I will do is I'm going to start using it around my eyes, and then you can also use the Magic Cream at night. And the moisturizer. You can do this as a nighttime routine where you do the Eye Rescue, the serum, and then the moisturizer. Or you can do it under your makeup, which would be the serum, the Magic Cream, but definitely not the Eye Rescue. That's a night product. And so my face feels nice. Like, I like Charlotte Tilbury products. I feel like they're very luxurious. Whether it does what it claims, I don't know. It's supposed to help with your wrinkles and just the overall elasticity of your face and just firming things up. I'm 53 and I've had pretty good skin. I don't feel like I look my age. I feel like my skin has been really good to me. I never had acne prone skin. I never broke out. I've never had issues with my skin on my face. So that has been a blessing in itself. And so I didn't go through the process of putting on bronzer and all that. And I actually used the blush that has that little highlight inside as my eyeshadow and highlight, and also as my blusher. I didn't put on bronzer. I don't have any other products from Charlotte Tilbury, like the eyeshadow palette or any other products. All the products that I use today were products that I have purchased from her line before, which included the eyebrow gel, which I really love as well. So moving on from that, I did go ahead and color my hair again. And this time I didn't do the DP Hue root touch-up because I actually had gray all the way back here in my hair. And I could tell when I did that cap video where I unboxed my Louis Vuitton cap and I was showing you guys the back, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have gray hair back there. So this time I definitely had to do an overall color. I did it myself. I do like the color. I think it did darken it up a little bit. I didn't really know what color to get, and I'll put what color I used here on the side. But my hair felt really soft afterwards. I did like that the product came with 2 pairs of gloves. My husband helped me do my hair, so he wore a pair and I wore a pair. I like that it came with a little packet of shampoo and conditioner. It also came with a cream barrier, and it also came with a little towelette that you could clean off any excess that you may have gotten on your ears or your neck. And it really did work, because I put it on all over my forehead and my neck, and I didn't have any really profound stains on my face. I also do feel like that straightener has helped my hair look really shiny and pretty So I definitely am liking that straightener from Nordstrom as well. So yeah, that is my hair and beauty update and products that I wanted to try. Upon first impression, I really do like these products. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.